Greetings, and welcome to this short presentation on our Cyber Crisis Tabletop Exercise services. Regulators and insurers are increasingly demanding evidence of regular tests of incident response plans. This makes tabletop exercises an indispensable tool to meet these demands. Let's look at the many benefits of tabletop exercises. These exercises help you meet both internal and external compliance requirements, improve your processes, and elevate levels of collaboration during incident response. They are cost-effective yet comprehensive tests of your organizational readiness to deal with cyber attacks, with no operational disruptions. Additionally, they provide a platform for building and testing muscle memory, which helps to reduce confusion and chaos during a real cyber incident. You'll also receive a management report offering actionable recommendations, thereby optimizing your cybersecurity posture. We offer 3 distinct types of workshops: executive, operational, and technical, each tailored to different organizational needs. The executive exercise focuses on strategic decision-making, while the operational exercise evaluates your on-ground incident response and business continuity processes. The technical team exercise is designed to assess your technical response and recovery capabilities in tackling cyber incidents. Every scenario is crafted to mirror realistic business-impacting situations, with inputs ranging from news articles to social posts. Our structured approach involves detailed planning, dry runs, and invaluable post-exercise analysis. Our process starts with gathering information about your business and threats relevant to it. This is followed by meticulous scenario planning and execution. Observers, whether provided by you or us, capture all exercise discussions and actions for creation of a thorough management report. So, what sets us apart? With 300+ exercises executed for organizations of all sizes and from all sectors and verticals, including the likes of Formula One Racing and BNP Paribas, we bring a wealth of experience. Both our online and on-site workshops are highly interactive, deeply engaging, and designed for maximum participation. Most importantly, our exercises are designed and in many cases conducted by the world's most experienced cyber tabletop exercise facilitator. Cyber Crisis Tabletop Exercises offer a powerful, cost-effective way to prepare for cyber incidents. They enhance interdepartmental coordination and provide a clear path for improvement. For more information, feel free to contact us. Our consultants would be happy to assist you.